In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add password protection to a page on your website using Hostinger's intuitive website editor. Whether you're safeguarding exclusive content or simply ensuring that only authorized individuals can access certain parts of your site, password protection offers an added layer of security and privacy. To start, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account and open your site. Head over to hostinger.com and click on the Log In button, prominently displayed on the homepage. Once there, enter your credentials, your email address and password, and you'll land on the dashboard. This is your control center, where you manage all things related to your website. Locate your site in the list provided and click on the Edit Website button to enter the site's editor. Once you're in the site editor, you'll need to access the Pages panel. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice an icon labeled Pages and Navigation. This is your gateway to managing the structure of your site. By clicking it, you'll reveal a list of all the pages that constitute your website. It's like a blueprint of your entire site, allowing you to effortlessly navigate between different pages and sections. Now, we reach the crux of the process: accessing the page settings for the specific page you wish to protect. Hover your cursor over the page's name in the list. As you do this, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appearing next to the page's name. This is a common symbol for more options. Clicking on these 3 dots will bring up a menu from which you can select various adjustments and settings. Within this menu, you'll enter the Page Settings panel, where you'll find the option you need for password protection. Look for the Password or Access section, which is where you'll activate the password feature. By toggling on the Enable Password option, you ensure that only visitors with the correct password can access this page. You are then prompted to enter your chosen password. Select something that is both secure and memorable, easing access for those who are supposed to have it while keeping others out. Additionally, Hostinger allows you to customize the design and text of the guest screen. This is the page that visitors will see when they attempt to access the password-protected area. Personalize this screen with specific instructions or a welcoming message to enhance the user experience and align it with your website's design theme. Once you're satisfied with the settings and your customizations, don't forget to click Save. Saving applies all your changes and activates the password protection, bringing your website security goals to life. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've added a crucial layer of protection to your website, safeguarding sensitive content in just a few simple actions. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your website's content is secure.